How to swap coins in Phantom Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you this quick and easy tutorial. Now, I'm inside my Phantom Wallet from my Windows computer right here as an extension, but of course you can go ahead and follow along if you're using it from your mobile devices. Now, you simply want to open up the Phantom Wallet extension or application, and from here you can then go ahead and enter the password for your account. Right after that, you will be taken to the main page of Phantom Wallet, and from here you want to specifically select the right account in order to swap tokens with. So you can go ahead and click on the A1 logo. From here you can then go ahead and see all of your accounts. Navigate to the account that has the crypto asset. From here we have multiple options like receive, send, swap, and buy. If you want to swap coins, you simply want to tap the swap option. From here, you have the pay with option and you have the receive menu. You can then go ahead and answer what you want to pay with. So, as an example, we are going to pay with Solana. You want to enter the amount that you want to swap. Now from here, we are going to swap 50 Solana for this specific coin right here, which is USDC. Now, you simply want to click on the swapped coin and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.